Let's start by showing you around the HIZERO booths at this year's AWE. This 200's lightweight model is our brand new product launched just this March. It only weighs 6.6 pounds, so even a child can easily lift it with one hand. What's more, its triple auto separation design makes cleaning and tidying a breeze. Look at all the dry debris on the floor just now. It's all collected in the solid waste container, and you can simply empty the container into your home bin. All the dirty water is gathered in the dirty water tank. Beyond that, you'll never have to worry about hair again, even pet owners with cats or dogs. All pet and human hair is neatly collected by the hair collection roller. Dishwashers are standard in every home, and for those who want to keep their hands soft and away from water. They also hope for a machine to clean up kitchen countertops after meals. Well, today, we're proud to introduce our world's first electronic cloth machine. All the spilled water and liquid on countertops is fully collected into its dirty water tank. While dry waste is separated into the solid waste container, just empty it easily and rinse the container with clean water. And it's spotless in no time, with no messy hands involved. The roller features real-time self-cleaning, so it stays squeaky clean even after use. This year, HIZERO will officially release another groundbreaking new product. The world's first no-suction automatic floor washing robot, the HIZERO A700. In daily life, traditional vacuum cleaners can only fade the color of wet stains like ketchup by wiping and smearing them. The surface may look clean, but it's actually just moving the dirt around, spreading the stains and making the mess worse. With its no-suction technology and patented roller, the A700 delivers a true deep, fully automatic floor clean and constant real-time self-cleaning throughout the process. For households that prefer manual operation, pursue impeccable cleanliness and great value for money, the M101 is the perfect choice. This innovative mop requires no electricity, and it will make its official debut at the IFA exhibition this year, with a preview launch right here at AWE today. It can sweep, mop, and wash floors all in one go. Leveraging the same no-suction technology and high-quality roller material, it comes with a built-in water tank. A single fill lets you clean large areas without the need for an extra bucket. It also automatically separates dry debris from liquid waste, making it quick and easy to dispose of dirt on the floor. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it glides easily under low furniture and steers flexibly. With minimal maintenance needs and ultra-simple operation, it's ideal for both home and commercial use. From the F200s to the revolutionary electronic cloth machine H100R to the fully automatic R700s and the manual multifunctional mop. This is HIZERO's all-scenario cleaning ecosystem built on our original no-suction technology. We believe true cleanliness is about a lasting experience. We skip flashy, unnecessary features with our no-suction technology. We bring you perfect, clean beyond compare every time.